Wuhan Sky Train. Officially called the Wuhan Optics Valley Suspended Monorail Line, the Wuhan Sky Train is a state-of-the-art urban transportation system in China's Wuhan. Located in Wuhan's Optics Valley, a center for technology companies, this suspended monorail traverses the city on an aerial track that is 10.5 kilometers long. With its 60 km/h top speed and see-through glass floor, the driverless SkyTrain gives riders a bird's-eye view of the city below. The initial section of the line, which begins at Jufeng Mountain and concludes at Longquan Mountain, consists of 6 stations. It links 2 notable tourist destinations, the Longquan Mountain Mingchu King's Tomb Archaeological Site Park and the Jufeng National Forest Park. Maximum capacity of the 2-car train is 220 passengers. To keep running smoothly, the SkyTrain relies on a fiber optic connection and autonomous driving technology that can detect and respond to changes in the track. Lazareth LMV 496. The Lazareth LMV 496 is a stunning masterpiece of modern engineering, merging the exhilaration of motorcycling with the boundless freedom of flight. Crafted by visionary French engineer Ludovic Lazareth, this limited edition marvel redefines transportation. On the road, its electric motor delivers a smooth ride with a range of around 100 kilometers. With a press of a button, the transformation begins. Wheels shift horizontally, and within 60 seconds, the bike morphs into a hoverbike. 4 jet engines, 1 at each corner, unleash an astonishing 1,300 horsepower, allowing the LMV 496 to hover for up to 10 minutes. These kerosene-powered turbines provide the lift and thrust needed for takeoff. Safety is ingeniously designed, with rapid deployment parachutes tucked into the wheels for emergencies. The LMV 496 isn't just a vehicle, it's a revolutionary experience that shatters the boundaries of conventional travel. Human Horizons HiPhi Z. The Human Horizons. HiPhi Z is a luxurious full-size electric sedan from the Chinese automaker Human Horizons. Launched in 2022, it features a futuristic design with a low-slung aerodynamic body, suicide doors, and customizable LED lighting elements. 2. The HiPhi Z is built on the HiPhi H SoA platform, enabling high connectivity and adaptability. Inside, it boasts a tech-rich cabin with a swiveling 15-inch infotainment screen, voice recognition, and seamless integration with the HiPhi ecosystem. The HiPhi Z offers advanced autonomous driving capabilities, supported by over 30 sensors and AI-driven systems too. It has a dual-motor setup delivering up to 672 horsepower and a range exceeding 535 kilometers with its 90 kilowatt-hours battery pack. The HiPhi Z City version is priced at $69,800 USD, making it more affordable than the original model. EHang 216. Designed by the Chinese manufacturer EHang, the EHang 216 is a 2-seater autonomous electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft that is also referred to as the EH216S. Urban air mobility is the focus of this pilotless passenger-carrying unmanned aerial vehicle system, which demonstrates cutting-edge technology. The pricing of the EH216S is $410,000 for markets across the world that are not located in China. The suggested retail price in China is 2.39 million yuan, which is equivalent to around $338,000 in American currency. The EHang EH216S is priced strategically to effectively penetrate the market, and it provides an option that is priced more affordably in comparison to the ideas that were made earlier. This pricing reflects EHang's intention to make autonomous aerial transport more affordable and realistic, hence advancing the likelihood that electric vertical takeoff and landing technology will be commercially possible. BYD Yang Wang U8. A premium off-road SUV, the BYD Yang Wang U8 is a product of BYD's Yangwang sub-brand, which is a high-end category. A gasoline engine serves as a range extender for an electric car, which is a hybrid vehicle. With 4 distinct electric motors, each of which is responsible for driving a single wheel, the U8 is equipped with BYD's patented E4 individual wheel drive technology. The traction control system is able to redistribute torque and keep the car stable in the event that a tire puncture occurs when the vehicle is moving at a high speed thanks to this technology. BYD's blade battery is included in the U8. However, the capacity and range of this battery type have not yet been disclosed. In addition to being an all-wheel drive electric car with an increased range, the U8 is a demonstration of the superior engineering that has been applied to the automotive industry. There is a dynamic generator for the battery that is included into this innovation. Xpeng AOH HT. A revolutionary step forward in low-altitude air transportation is the state-of-the-art Xpeng AOH HT, a modular flying automobile. Its ground module stores power for the air module, allowing it to switch between flying and driving with ease. For better off-road performance and increased cargo capacity, this cutting-edge vehicle features 6x6 all-wheel drive and rear-wheel steering. The manned aerial vehicle can land and take off vertically using just electric power, and it has both manual and automatic driving modes to make it easier to use. It satisfies the safety standards for single-point failure with its dispersed electric propulsion, guaranteeing a dependable and risk-free flying. A 270-degree panoramic view from the 2-seater cockpit improves the flight experience. Launching in 2024 with a starting price of $126,000, the Xpeng AOH HT Voyager X2 is a model from this range. Wuling Hongwang Mini EV. An affordable and practical electric city car, the Wuling Hongwang Mini EV is a product of the SAIC-GM Wuling joint venture. Blocky design, which includes 2 doors and 4 seats. One electric motor, mounted on the back axle, provides 27 horsepower and 85 Newton-meters of torque to the vehicle. 2 battery options are available for the Mini EV. One with 9.3 kilowatt-hours of power and a 120 kilometers range, and another with 13.9 kilowatt-hours of power and a 170 kilometers range. The lowest-end model, which includes a battery subscription service, starts at about $2,850 USD, while the most expensive Game Boy Edition ranges from $4,730 USD to $10,500 USD, with the exact amount depending on the battery size and functionality. The cheap price and effective city commuting qualities of this electric car have made it popular in China. In terms of low-cost, environmentally friendly transportation, it's hard to beat for city inhabitants. Xiaomi Electric Scooter 4 Ultra. Ideal for both work and play, the Xiaomi Electric Scooter 4 Ultra is a powerful e-scooter. Its maximum speed is 16 miles per hour, made possible by a single motor system that generates 940 watts of peak power. Scooter battery life is impressive, lasting up to 70 kilometers on a single charge thanks to the 55-volt, 10.2 ampere-hours, 557 watt-hours battery. The suspension and drum brakes on the scooter make it easy to travel over bumps in the road. Perfect for riding in all weather, thanks to its IP55 classification, which makes it resistant to dust and water. With a weight of only 54 pounds, this scooter is both durable and portable, as it can support a maximum load of 264 pounds. Stability and longevity are guaranteed by the frame's construction from high-strength aluminum alloy. A more comfortable ride is possible thanks to the wider and higher handlebars and broader deck. The 4 Ultra electric scooter from Xiaomi costs $799 USD. GAC Gov. Within the context of the GAC Group's Tech Day event in China, the GAC Gov was shown as a cutting-edge, fully electric integrated mobility solution. Both in the air and on the ground, this one-of-a-kind design is comprised of 2 distinct vehicles that are capable of functioning either in tandem or independently. The letters associated with the terms GAC, on the go, vertical, and EV, have been combined to form the GOVE eVTOL vehicle. A vision of the future in which the passenger is seated inside the electric vertical takeoff and landing component of the GOVE, while the vehicle below it navigates on its own, is shown by this. While the electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle ascends vertically, it has already been accomplished that this fascinating idea has successfully completed its first flight outside of the corporate offices. The GAC Gov is considered to be an essential component of the company's next array of mobility vehicles. Zoox Autonomous Robotaxi. Amazon subsidiary Zoox has created a revolutionary autonomous robotaxi for use by ride-hailing companies. The unusual symmetry of this electric vehicle makes it capable of bidirectional driving without the need to turn around, making it more maneuverable in congested city streets. Seating for up to 4 people in a facing each other configuration is possible inside the roomy cabin, made possible by the little bidirectional design. Zoox guarantees 360-degree awareness for safe navigation with its suite of modern sensors, which includes LiDAR, cameras, and radar. Thanks to its high-capacity battery, the robotaxi can go up to 75 miles per hour and stay operational for up to 16 hours on a single charge. The specific cost of Zoox's robotaxi is unknown at this time, but the company is currently concentrating on creating an autonomous ride-hailing service rather than selling individual vehicles, which could make it a good fit for city transportation budgets. Honda Motocompacto e-scooter. An innovative new option for individual electric mobility is the Honda Motocompacto e-scooter. Its zero-emission riding range, sleek style, and exceptional mobility are all reminiscent of the Honda Motocompacto from the 1980s, which served as inspiration. The scooter is incredibly practical and adaptable due to its pedal-less design and its ability to fold neatly into a compact shape. With a range of up to 19 kilometers and a top speed of 24 kilometers per hour, it is completely emission-free. Just 3.5 hours is all it takes to charge the Motocompacto to full capacity. It has a plush seat, plenty of storage space, a digital speedometer, a charge indicator, and a convenient handle for transport. The scooter's sturdy heat-treated aluminum frame and wheels, powerful LED headlights and taillights, side reflectors, and welded steel lock provide safety, durability, and security. Motoroid 2, a revolutionary concept motorcycle. The Yamaha Motoroid 2 challenges conventional wisdom about what is possible in the realm of human-machine interaction. The Motoroid 2 continues the tradition started by its forerunner by making the rider feel more like a companion and less like a passenger on a bike. Like a pet, this futuristic bike can identify its owner and react to their voice or movements thanks to its sophisticated robotics and clever technology. Yamaha has grand plans for the Motoroid 2 that go beyond what a typical ride would offer. It brings a tailored user interface that makes the bike's exterior a responsive surface that encourages two-way communication. Traditional legacy riding, a jockey style with a novel knee hold, and the centaur style, which lets the rider stand up, freeing the upper body for a one-of-a-kind riding sensation, are the 3 levels of riding postures that riders can enjoy. InMotion V14. Whether you're cruising around town or navigating rough terrain, the InMotion V14 Adventure Electric Unicycle has you covered. The maximum speed for riding is 70 kilometers per hour, but it can reach a free spin speed of 110 kilometers per hour thanks to its 4,000-watt motor, which has a peak output of 9,000 watt. With its 2,400 watt-hours battery, the unicycle can go from 0 to 80% charged in just 1 hour, thanks to its 16-ampere fast-charging capability. In addition to a range of 120 kilometers, it is capable of navigating hills as steep as 50 degrees. With its 2-year guarantee and 140 kilograms maximum rider weight capacity, the wheel measures 16 by 3 inches, and it boasts a high level of water resistance with an IPX6 rating for the body and an IPX7 rating for the battery. About 3,149 pounds will get you this sturdy electric unicycle with all the bells and whistles you could want. JA1 Pulse. Jump Aero created the JA1 Pulse, a model of electric vertical takeoff and landing plane. In the event of an emergency, it will be able to transport vital supplies and medical personnel to the scene of the crime with pinpoint accuracy, thereby transforming current methods of responding. It takes the JA1 Pulse less than 10 minutes to get to any place within 50 kilometers. The biplane is designed for steep approaches to unimproved landing zones and features a wide belly window. It stands tail-sitter. Aside from not having any disastrous single-point failures, it also includes simplified flight controls, full envelope protection, and more. A payload of 150 kilograms is within the aircraft's capabilities, and it can sprint at 250 knots. In faraway places, where seconds can determine fate, it's more than simply a vehicle. It's a lifeline meant to transport not only people and supplies, but also hope. GAC Baretta. The GAC Baretta is an ultra-modern concept vehicle that reimagines the minimalist aesthetic. This GAC design electric sports car takes inspiration from the studio's earlier in-house ideas, as well as 1970s Italian automobiles. Flat design, powered by batteries, roofless, and capable of fast speeds are all hallmarks of this vehicle. Comparable to a massive mobile phone, the ultra-flat chassis houses small batteries. The aircraft's body is a lightweight and eye-catching monomaterial aluminum. On the inside, the car's basic design is continued with seats constructed from recyclable plastic and a small drive-by-wire steering wheel. The seats are attached to a lightweight shell, weighing in at a mere 3 kilograms. The design company opened its doors not long ago in Milan's design quarter, and the GAC Baretta is the debut model in the GAC car culture line. NIO ET7. NIO, a Chinese automaker, has introduced a luxury electric sedan called the NIO ET7. This vehicle is renowned for its remarkable capacity and performance. A full charge can provide the 2024 model with a range of up to 665 kilometers (CLTC) in real-world conditions. It is equipped with a 100 kilowatt-hours battery and 480 kilowatt of power, which enables it to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just over 3.8 seconds. The maximum speed is 200 kilometers per hour. The price of the NIO ET7 varies according to the trim level that is purchased. A price of $63,060 is associated with the 75 kilowatt-hours executive signature model, while the price of $71,050 is associated with the 100 kilowatt-hours executive signature model. Additionally, the ET7 is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, which include 4 NVIDIA Drive Orin X chips and 16 gigabytes of RAM for the vehicle system.